Want to start investing but don't know where to begin? Imagine building wealth and securing your future with just a few smart steps. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're breaking down the ultimate beginner-friendly investing tips for 2025 that anyone can use to grow their money. Hey there, and welcome back to SmartCoin Chronicles. If you're new to investing, you might feel overwhelmed by all the jargon and choices out there, but don't worry. Today, I'm sharing simple, actionable tips to help you kickstart your investing journey in 2025. Ready? Let's dive in. Why invest in 2025? First things first, why should you invest? Investing allows your money to grow over time. With inflation on the rise, keeping cash in a savings account just isn't enough. By investing, you're putting your money to work, potentially earning returns that outpace inflation. Set clear financial goals before you start. Ask yourself, what are your financial goals? Are you saving for retirement, a home, or maybe a dream vacation? Your goals will determine your investment strategy. For instance, if you're investing for retirement, you might choose long-term options like ETFs or mutual funds. Understand risk and diversification. Next, let's talk about risk. Every investment carries some level of risk. The key is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification spreads your risk across different assets, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Start small, start smart. If you're a beginner, you don't need a lot of money to start. Many platforms let you invest with as little as $10. Apps like Robinhood, Wobble, and Acorns are great for beginners. Remember, the important thing is to start now and let compound interest work its magic. Focus on low-cost index funds and ETFs for beginners. Low-cost index funds and ETFs are a great way to invest. They're simple, affordable, and offer diversification. Instead of picking individual stocks, these funds let you own a small piece of many companies at once and avoid common mistakes. Finally, keep educating yourself. Read books, follow trusted financial channels like this one, and stay updated on market trends, and avoid common mistakes like emotional investing, chasing trends, or ignoring fees. There you have it, smart investing tips to help you start strong in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more personal finance and investing tips. Comment below with your investing questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!